Yeah. Well. Yeah.
Alright, today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make chicken breast and broccoli. Let's get to it. Alright, look, the first thing you wanna do, you just wanna take your broccoli and you wanna cut it. Cause we're not gonna use this whole thing of broccoli, cause it's a lot of broccoli in it. I ain't gonna eat all that. So take you a microwave friendly bowl and you just gonna dump some broccoli in here. What kind of broccoli is this? Oh my god. You gonna put it on there for about 5 minutes, 5:30, and we're gonna let that marinate, and we're gonna be back. Alright, so look, you just wanna preheat your oven, put it on about 7. Yeah, you gonna put your oven on about 7, and you just gonna let that heat up, and we gonna prepare the chicken while the oven heating up. While the stove heating up, so we straight. We got our chicken right here. All you wanna do is just wanna take about 2 pieces of chicken and you gonna put it on a paper plate. Alright, so after we got our 2 pieces of chicken, you just gonna, what do you do after that? Alright, this is how you season your chicken. Step 1, you're just gonna take this, you're gonna open it. Bob, you see that? So you just gonna take this and you just gonna oh, wow, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something slight, you know. Then you just gonna rub that in. Cause look, you wanna tenderize your chicken. You wanna treat it good. You wanna just rub it. All right, so look, you just wanna take you a little butter, just to add you a little flavor to the chicken. Just wanna take you a little butter, and you gonna cut that. And you're just gonna drop it off in your pan. We're just gonna take this chicken and we're gonna dump it off in there. Alright, so look, our chicken ain't cooking, so we're gonna get some Worcestershire sauce and you just gonna dump some in there. Alright, so once you got your Worcestershire sauce in there, you're just gonna let that marinate into the chicken and it's gonna cook a little bit quicker. Oh! See your food? Pretty nice. You're just gonna dump it right there. You see? We're good to go. Alright y'all, now that our beautiful creation is done, we're just gonna give it a little taste test. I'm gonna get a little broccoli. Alright, now I'm gonna give this chicken a try. It look pretty good though, I ain't gonna cap to y'all, boy. Alright, y'all, this is it for this video. If you liked it, let me know in the comments what's your favorite part. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.